Time for your second chord. This one's very similar to the G major. This one's a G7. The G7 is really simple. You're just taking your first finger and placing it on the first fret. That's it. Then you're going to play the top 3 strings. You should get a nice clear sound, just like my chord. Make sure to fret your note properly and strum nice and smoothly with the right hand. Try it again a few times until it sounds nice. Just a reminder, I'm moving my other fingers out of the way so you can see the chord better. Your other fingers don't need to move out of the way when you play. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now remember that 7th chords sound a little strange. This is called dissonance. It's when one of the notes in a chord creates a sound that doesn't seem to quite fit with the chord. It seems a bit weird that we'd intentionally use a chord that sounds strange, but in a few videos we'll come back to the purpose of this and it's actually pretty neat once you see it.